my channel, The Baking Diva, and I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate your support. Today's video is going to be quick. New Year's, I told you that I was going to throw in a few keto recipes in with my others, and it seems like everybody's gone keto crazy. So I'm trying to incorporate a few keto recipes in with my other recipes. So today, I'm going to make for you keto corn muffins. And you know what? They taste just like the real thing, but they have no grain. And they're super easy to make. So I'm here with the cameraman. Cameraman, do you want to get started?
Let's get started.
Alrighty, here we go. First thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now this recipe, you can either make it in a seasoned cast iron skillet, or you can make it in a muffin tin. Now if you make it in a muffin tin, it will yield you 8 corn muffins. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have my muffin tin here. Now what you're going to do is put 8 paper liners in there, and you're going to spray with your, I just use Pam here, your non-stick spray. You're going to spray lightly the inside of the paper liners. So let me just put this aside for now. Okay, you're going to take a nice sized mixing bowl. I just have my Pyrex one here. And you're going to add your dry ingredients. Now to this bowl, I'm going to put 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. And I've been using almond flour lately for so many things. So I'm putting 1 1/4 cups of the almond flour in. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Get that in there. And the other dry ingredient I'm putting in is going to be 1/3 a teaspoon of salt. So let me put that in. Okay. Alrighty. And I'm going to take my handy dandy whisk, and I'm just going to mix these all together. Pretty easy so far, cameraman, isn't it?
Oh, quite so.
We have a beautiful day here in New Jersey. It's cold, but the sun is shining. Whatever little bit of snow we had is melting, and it's a good day. Alrighty. Okay, so I just mixed that, incorporated a little bit. Now I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So you want to add to this 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 eggs, and you're going to add to this 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm going to put that in. I've already pre-measured everything for the sake of time. And I'm going to use my whisk, and I'm going to blend all of that together. I want to thank everybody who tuned in to watch the collab that my 7-year-old grandson Lucas did. It was called You Have to Kiss a Lot of Frogs Before You Find Your Prince. And he did it with my friend Barb's granddaughter, Bella, from her channel, Take Control Beauty. The kids were so excited to do that collab, and I think they did a great job. So if you didn't see it, feel free to head on down and watch it. Nothing like getting your kids in the kitchen and creating those good memories. So I'm mixing this all together. I want to get everything incorporated. Now once I get all of this mixed together, I'm going to divide it evenly into 8 parts to put into my muffin tin. So I'm going to take my spoon, because I like to get everything off the sides, especially when I'm dealing with baking powder. I want to make sure it's all in with the mixture. So there we go. I know some of my friends are on keto, and they've done very well, and they've lost a lot of weight. So they've requested some keto recipes, so here we go. But Diva, your wish is my command. All right, this looks like it's mixed pretty good. Alrighty, so now what I'm gonna do is take my muffin tin. Let me scrape off the whisk. And I'm now going to put the mixture into the wells of my muffin pan. So here we go. You're probably saying to yourself, Diva, I don't understand. How could these be corn muffins if there's no corn in them? But you wait and see. They are delicious and they are keto approved. And I'm not going to give you a lesson right now on keto. Many of you are on it, and those of you who are not, you can look it up. I'll just basically tell you that keto is very low carbohydrate, it's moderate protein, and it's high fat. Okay. So now I am going to put these in the oven for approximately 13 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so check on them, periodically, because we don't want to burn our muffins. And I'm going to come back in 13 minutes to do a taste testing, so don't go away. So I took the muffins out of the oven. They were in there for exactly 13 minutes. And as you can see, they're nice and golden on top, and they look very yummy. So I'm going to do a taste testing now. I don't know if they're going to taste like corn muffins. Maybe they're going to taste like cheese muffins. I don't know. I'll let you know in a minute. So here we go. The paper should come off very easily because we sprayed the paper muffin cups. Also, I did mention to you earlier that if you didn't want to make them in muffins, you could make them in a cast iron skillet. Make sure the skillet is seasoned, and it would bake in the oven, the skillet, for the 13 minutes, the same amount as the muffin. So let me see. Oh, peels away nicely. They're looking good. You can't have corn on keto, so we're going to taste these. Maybe these are going to be the next best thing. So let me see. Wait a minute. They're good. They're not dry. They're nice and moist, probably because of the eggs in there. They don't taste cheesy. They're very good. I'm not going to kid you. They don't taste like a actual real corn muffin that has corn in it, but to have a muffin on keto that tastes good and resembles a corn muffin, I give it a thumbs up. So if you like this recipe and you think you might like my channel, give me a thumbs up down there and make a comment. And don't forget to go down below and hit that red subscribe. It'll turn gray and you'll be a subscriber. And there's a little bell next to it. If you press that bell, you'll just get a notification whenever I put a new video up, and you won't miss out on anything. So I really do appreciate each of you. You do help my channel to grow. And I'm going to take another bite of this. So for now, I will say, until next time, toodles!